With 31 islands, 111 villages, and a population of just over 300,000, Sihanouk is the coastal province in southern Cambodia. It is approximately 230 kilometers from the capital of Phnom Penh and borders Koh Kong Province to the south, Kampot Province, and Kampong Speu to the east, and the Gulf of Thailand to the south and west. On January 9, 2009, the sub-decree of the Royal Government of Cambodia, number 7, upgraded Sihanoukville into a province and expanded its coverage to 2 municipalities and 3 districts. This paved the way to transforming what was once a sleepy town into a bustling economic hub. A relatively new business and tourist destination, the province of Preah Sihanouk has been designated as one of the 3 economic development areas in Cambodia. It is also the only single province that has been transformed into a multi-purpose special economic zone. The province is the site of the country's only deep-sea water port, which serves as a commercial gateway to local and international trade. Because it is located in the center of a scene, Preah Sihanouk is accessible by road, rail, air, and sea, and is blessed by a stable political environment. A rich marine life, unspoiled beaches, and a host of nature-based tourism activities have accommodated a growing number of tourists annually. This in turn has provided significant livelihood opportunities for the locals in the areas of fishery production, trade services, industrial tourism, and ecotourism. With the growing economic activity in the province comes a few issues that come with development. This includes higher levels of pollution, overcrowding, and the potential loss of environmental habitats. In 2001, the provincial government initiated its Integrated Coastal Management Program, or ICM, to sustainably manage its coastal and marine resources.
ក្នុងនាមរដ្ឋបាលខេត្តគឺជាអ្នកសហការក្នុងនាមជាមូលដ្ឋានដែលយើងបានខិតខំរំលេចប្រឹងប្រែងនៅអ្វីដែលយើងមាននៅទីនេះដើម្បីបានការគ្រប់គ្រងបានការជួយទាំងបច្ចេកទេសទាំងគោលនយោបាយទាំងថវិកាដើម្បីយើងធ្វើការអភិវឌ្ឍនៅក្នុងតំបន់ឆ្នេររបស់យើងនេះឲ្យកាន់តែមានសក្តានុពលថែមទៀតឲ្យកាន់តែមានការទាក់ទាញថែមទៀតសម្រាប់ការអភិវឌ្ឍនៅក្នុងតំបន់របស់យើង
ICM helps Sihanouk's provincial government to achieve social and economic development targets in a number of areas: pollution reduction and waste management, fisheries, food security and livelihood management, water use and supply management, and natural and man-made hazard prevention and management.
Preah Sihanouk Province, as member of the PEMC Network of Local Governments for Sustainable Coastal Development, adopted the Dongying Declaration. The declaration reaffirmed its commitment to be responsive to the requirements of building a blue economy for the region by taking an active role in integrated coastal management, implementation, and scaling up.
In all cases, success has been achieved through an integrated approach. Sihanouk's sustainable development efforts, particularly in the implementation of the ICM program, has helped the province begin its journey towards a blue economy.
ការសាងសង់តូបថ្មីឲ្យបានតាមស្តង់ដារពីមុនតូបយើងអកេតកោវាមានអខិអខៈណាអូនធ្វើតាមចិត្តដែលយើងតែឥឡូវនេះយើងបានធ្វើជាសសរថ្មបេតុងបុកគ្រឹះមានស្តង់ដារតែមួយដែលយើងមើលទៅវាបានបង្អួតភ្ញៀវទេសចរថាយើងបានរៀបចំវិសមរម្យតាមក្បួនខ្នាតត្រឹមត្រូវបរិស្ថានខាងឆ្នេរហ្នឹងពីមុនមកគាត់មិនដែលបានជួយដូចរាល់ថ្ងៃហ្នឹងទេឥឡូវតែព្រលឹមឡើងគឺមានក្រុមការងារភ្នាក់ងារគេគឺគេមានម៉ាស៊ីនសម្រាប់រស់ដីនិងរើសសម្រាមហាក់បីដូចជាគាត់មកជួយយើងបានច្រើន
The blue economy approach aimed for by the Sihanouk province refers to sustainable, resilient, and inclusive economic activities with a direct relationship with the ocean and marine resources. It supports pollution reduction and resource conservation while generating jobs and livelihoods through the sustainable use of ocean resources.
បាទផ្នែកទៀតប្រកាសណាស់ថាយើងក៏ត្រូវខិតខំធ្វើការអភិវឌ្ឍព្រោះថាវាមិនអាចមានការអភិរក្សណាមួយការថែរក្សាណាមួយដែលគ្មានការអភិវឌ្ឍវាអាចទៅរួចនោះទេវាត្រូវតែជំរុញការអភិវឌ្ឍនៅទីនេះឲ្យបានសមប្រកបដោយគោរពទៅតាមគោលការណ៍និងច្បាប់របស់ប្រទេសរបស់យើងក្នុងគោលដៅរបស់យើងគឺបានបញ្ជាក់ច្បាស់ថាខេត្តរបស់យើងនេះគឺថាអនុវត្តឲ្យទៅជាខេត្តដែលមានបៃតងនឹងហើយបាទបៃតងនឹងហើយ ចឹងនេះគឺជារឿងដែលយើងត្រូវខិតខំ
Together with the government, much work still needs to be done to sustain these blue economy initiatives, improve local livelihoods, and promote development. The province is looking to building human resources in each area of expertise, such as improving tourism skills, fisheries, agriculture, urban and coastal development skills, as well as engineering and research. The Sihanouk Provincial Administration, under the direction of the Provincial Council and the governors, with the support of the provincial departments as well as the national level, have worked hard to make Sihanouk Province the third economic pillar of the Kingdom of Cambodia. Together with its citizens, this once sleepy province is on its way to transforming itself into a progressive economic hub in the region.